semiconductor device. That is your unit, first unit. So in this one, you're supposed to move on to what is meant by semiconductor. So based on the electrical property of material, electrical property, it will divide it into three types. One is for conductor, another one is for semiconductor, another one is for insulator. I think this kind of material we already seen in previous class. So anyhow, I just go through this one. For conductor, in the sense we can say it's a n number of the free electrons present in the conducting material, and it will easily conduct the electrical current. That means to cross the conductivity, electricity. And then the example for this one is copper, silver, gold, aluminum, human body, etc. We can say this is all the example. And then resistivity of this material is very low. That we already know. Then we just move on to semiconductor. So semiconductor, in the sense we can say it's a partially conducting material. So it will lies in between the conductor and insulator. That means it has a two properties. That means it has conducting property also. It has insulating property also. So it will be able to conduct the electricity. But what is the main reason we are using the semiconducting material? In the sense we can control the charge carrier. That means we can control how many volts will be present, how many electron will be present. That means we can control the semiconductor charge carrier in this semiconducting material. And then another thing of this one is it can current will be flow only in one direction. That means either left to right. Only one direction only current will flow, not right to left. So that is the major advantage of this material. Very small, tiny size of material we can use in this semiconducting material. For example, I already told the diode, transistor. This kind of things comes under semiconducting material. General material for this one is we can say semiconductor. We can say it's a neither good conductor or not good insulator. Then it's a partial conducting material. And then example for this one is silicon, germanium, carbon, etc. We can say these things. And then the resistivity of this one. So it's a higher than conductivity but lower than insulator. So the resistivity of semiconductor is higher than the conductor and lower than the insulator. So in the case of the insulator, we can say there is no free number of electrons. So it will do not conduct the electricity. That means do not pass the current. And then the example for this one, we can say rubber, plastic, wood, mica, quartz, and porcelain material. Okay, so the resistivity of this was very high. So this all the main comparison of conductor, semiconductor, and insulator material.